Hi, I'm Dr. Tanja Haley. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this very short video. I would like to tell you a little bit about the Art and Science of Love weekend workshop for couples that my colleague Dr. Brad Hagan and I are co-presenting in Calgary on June 8th and 9th. This is a great workshop because it takes all of the research from Dr. John Gottman's experiences of 40 plus years, and it creates a 2-day seminar where you and your partner will learn the tools for creating a closer connection and also for managing conflict more effectively. So this is not therapy, it is educational. You will receive this wonderful Gottman kit that I have behind me right here that's on display. That kit contains all of the lecture notes, the tools, everything that you and your partner would need to continue doing the things that you learned during those 2 days with us. So day 1 is all about creating closer connection. Day 2 is all about managing conflict more effectively. And the format of the workshop is such that Brad and I will give you a chunk of lecture where you'll learn some interesting facts and things. Then we'll introduce an exercise. The two of you will go off privately to practice the exercise. And if you need our help, we're available to you. You can flag us down, we'll come and help you. Or if you would like to be left alone, we will leave you alone and respect your privacy as well. So it really is an interactive, fun, exciting 2 days, learning stuff, learning things, hearing about the facts and the research, and hopefully doing some things that will enhance your connection and help you deal with tension. So why should you come to our workshop? Well, number one, it is based on Dr. Gottman's 40 plus years of research, so we know that the tools and strategies that we'll be teaching you work. Number two, both Dr. Hagan and I are certified Gottman therapists with a lot of experience between us. I've been practicing in the field of working with couples for over 18 years. And also, we are registered psychologists here in Alberta, so that means that if you decide to come and work with us for the weekend, you may be eligible to have some of your fee reimbursed through your insurance provider. So please do check into that. The other option is that you can take the fee for the workshop and you can put it toward your income tax at the end of the year. So that is the benefit of doing workshops with registered psychologists here in Calgary. The other thing is that we are doing this workshop at a beautiful new hotel, and that can be a wonderful weekend getaway. There are special room rates for attendees, so please do check that out. If you would like more information about our Couples Weekend Workshop, you can go to my website. It's www.drtanja.com. That's drtanja.com. There's a workshops tab in there, and it'll give you all the information. So hopefully you will come and join us, and we look forward to working with you on creating a healthier connection and helping you manage conflict more effectively. Thanks again for watching.